ngamandla, so expect izinto ezinkulu la. We are working with ama-brands amakhulu of which I can't disclose lokho njengamanje, but when time goes by you will see mhlawumbe uyobuya kule podcast ukhumbule ukuthi washo mfethu Mfundo ukuthi they are working on something
big is coming.
Something big is coming to this place, Chief.
Amazing but ngifuna udlala na igame fast le. Ubuza na umbuzo la yaphendula fast adjust. Morning or night?
Morning.
Vinyl or USB?
USB.
Club or festival?
Club.
Japan or Johannesburg?
Joburg.
Favorite local artist?
DJ Tira.
Dream international corporation?
Working with the Machida Rents. Cape Town.
Wow. A song that always works. Ngathi iplove yakho ni crowd ayivuka mofaka leyo ngoma bayavuka abantu.
Summer Breeze.
An artist you like to share a stage with?
Sengishare namachita amaningi bethi stage.
Okay, biggest lesson in music?
Be true to yourself.
Igama elilodwa abantu abangimisunderstanda ngalo ukuthi Umfundo ubani.
Mfundo ejele.
Coffee or energy drink?
I'm a shake coffee, but
if you weren't a DJ or a businessman ngabe uyini?
Ngabe ngumfundisi.
Why ngabe umfundisi?
Ngikhule ngesonto mfethu. Ngiyalifunda neBhayibheli futhi.
Ngeke ngezwe kuthiwa Umfundo uzenza uDJ Tira wase show.
Yeah, sure. True.
So looking ahead,